Hello and welcome to this new video on how to backup on OneDrive. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to look at the bottom taskbar of your PC, and on the right hand side there will be a cloud icon. When you hover around it, it says OneDrive. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear, and on the top right hand side of the pop-up box there will be setting button. You just have to click on that setting button, and on the pop-up box will appear right in front of your screen, and there will be settings option. So you just have to click on the settings and on the interface will be shown to you. Now you just have to look on the left hand side. We are currently on sync and backup section, and when you look on the right hand side of that interface, you will be able to see there is a button called manage backup. So you just have to click on that manage backup, and after that another interface will be shown to you. Now you just have to turn on or enable every button that is shown to you on the screen, and you just have to close. And when you have turned on all the buttons, then the documents, pictures and desktops, music and videos, everything in your PC will be backed up in OneDrive. So this is how you can easily back up on OneDrive. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.